All right, guys, round 2 on this beautiful Audi S4 4.2 liter V8 beast. Look at this thing. Woo, woo. One of Juan's favorite cars. Woo. Anyways, as you guys can see, we chopped all this off. There's the 2 cats that were on it, the after cats, secondaries. And what we did, put 2 high flows, one there, one there. Then what we did, put an X pipe instead of the true dual straight pipe that we had on it right there. So that's what we did right there. There's the 2 pre-cats that we took off and replaced them with high flows. Then replaced the mid pipe that we changed at first there with an X pipe. Then 2.5-inch pipe. Then there was no mufflers. So he had these laying around. He's like, I'm gonna put them on, see how they sound. So we put them 2 Black Widows. 2.5-inch, 2.5 out. Here's the part number on them, BW0012-25. Be a link in the description for them, right there. Then 2.5 continues out the back on each side into 2 sexy carbon fiber 4-inch tips to complete the look. There and there. Just beautiful system right there. Beautiful, beautiful. There it is, all the way down. And remember, guys, it is stick shift. And quieting it down a lot. Wow. That's not bad. Woo. Audi S4. Wow. It's definitely got a bite, just clean, no more rasp. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Again. 110. Wow. I think I like this one better than the straight pipe. That's a lot cleaner. That's a perfect setup for it. Those high flows made a huge difference. Custom wheels, just a sexy car looking up. All the way around. Looks good. Look at that. I like it. I like it. Sorry they're doing construction up there, but it's okay. Nashville's got to grow. Wow. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Audi. I like it. I like it. Good looking car. Black Widow. Oh yeah. Wow. Woo. Audi power, baby. Be smooth.